You can see how easily those mop heads rotate together and just clean up that mud flawlessly. So this is the mop that we're going to be using to clean this extremely muddy, extremely paw printed floor. I just put a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of Fabuloso and warm water, and it's going to do the trick. So this mop does come with a measuring cup and a little funnel. These are the pads that it comes with. I do have 2 pads on it already that are pink, but these green ones are softer, and this one's gonna do a better durable job of getting whatever mess you have up. But these, like I said, these ones are softer. What you do, so this is the power button right here, and then on the back side, this is the button that's gonna make the liquid come out. This down here is where you're gonna plug the charger in, and then this little spot right here is where you're gonna open up and you're gonna put your liquid in there. The other thing about it is this is adjustable. So all you do is push this up. The handle goes up and down depending on how tall you need your mop. You can see how easily those mop heads rotate together and just clean up that mud flawlessly, leaving sparkling shine behind.